There are two things that can calm us down: stress balls and food. We want to combine the two. Tic-tac-toe out of candies, edible jigsaw puzzles, sweet slime. Watch these and other stress-relieving foods in our new video. Regular breadsticks are boring and flavorless, but there is no such product I won't be able to improve. Let's add glaze and sugar. No, it's way too colorless. We'd rather add colored sugar. Put sugar into a couple of Ziplocs. Add a few drops of liquid food coloring into each bag. Close the bag and press it in your hands to mix the sugar with the coloring. Put the colored sugar onto a tray, forming stripes. Align the edges using a brush. Dip a breadstick into a glaze made from egg white and powdered sugar. Take off the excess glaze and cover the breadstick with the colored sugar by rolling it onto the sweet strips. Sweet color therapy is a double stress reliever. Firstly, shaping the sugar into bright strips, and secondly, decorating breadsticks with the colorful yummies. My friend's storming into the room. She's completely stressed out. She's had a hard time taking her test again. Calm down. Don't ruin my sugar rainbow. But Belle doesn't notice anything. She still sees the test before her eyes. It's high time to offer her my stress-relieving colorful sticks. She should make one of her own. A bit of colored sugar, and my friend gets happy and cheerful again. Studying can wait. You can make a report about the sugar wars. My friend has a real sweet tooth. She has a whole collection of candies, but she doesn't share her sweets with anyone. When she's out of candies, she's out of happiness too. What is the purpose of life if there are no yummies? But I know how to bring sweet optimism back to my friend. I've got a big and delicious gummy bear. Put gummy bears into two separate containers. Let there be a bit more in one container than in the other. Cover a bear-shaped silicone mold with vegetable oil so that you can easily take out gummy bears when they are ready. Put the bowl with the bigger amount of bears into a microwave. Melt the candies. Pour the liquid jelly into the mold up to the halfway point. Now use the gummy bears from the second bowl. Put them on top of the liquid jelly and cover them with one more layer of melted jelly mass. Fill the mold up to the top. Remove the bears from the molds when they harden. You cannot just smell and chew on this bear, you can also stretch it in all directions. Belle loves my sweet, squishy bear right away. Of course, she begs me to share it with her, but I am not giving it away that easy. Nevertheless, I finally share the squishy bear with my friend. She is going to eat it immediately. Don't hurry up. Take the time to enjoy stretching it. My favorite pastime is to color stress-relieving patterns from a coloring book and relax. And my friend is obviously stressed out. Her phone talk must have been far from successful. I suggest starting art therapy with me. But this pattern is too small for two painters. My friend takes away one sheet of my designs. She works so hard as though she paints the Sistine Chapel. At last, she's gotten tired of art and feels like getting a snack. It's great that my coloring sheet is edible. Put a piece of rice paper onto a coloring sheet. Trace the pattern with a black food marker. Shade the entire picture with colored food markers. I take a bite of my masterpiece, and my friend tries to take a bite of her regular paper. It's not a good idea. My picture has more edible elements. The coloring pattern plus food is a double stress reliever. Belle has a whole arsenal of stress relievers, but nothing makes her happy anymore. Besides, her friend thinks she can amaze her with regular slime. It can stretch out. So what? It is slime. It surely can. It's so boring. But all of a sudden, my friend puts the stress ball into her mouth. Now it's getting interesting. Put chewy candies into a bowl and melt them in a microwave. Add powdered sugar and mix it thoroughly. Add sprinkles to the slime you've got and knead it.